Okay, go.
One. Okay. Okay. Daddy, we made this. And
Kyle made this. Kyle made this long road, and then I made all this stuff. And he added this.
What is this?
Yeah,
What's in there?
These are little carsies that we play with.
Is that a garage for them?
Yeah.
And this is where they park when it's sunny.
Oh.
Beep,
And this
beep.
is the long road that we're trying to build. So Kyle, you're gonna look at
Okay, just show us the road.
Beep, beep, beep.
Kyle, move so you can see the road.
Okay.
And here's the rest of the road.
Wow. It's got a little ramp on there too.
And, then,
I like that.
and look behind Kyle. It has 2 ramps actually.
Is there another ramp back? Oh, another ramp's back there. Cool.
And
I like it.
And one more thing before you stop the video.
Okay, great.
Okay. It's like doing my one more thing at bedtime. Okay. You know how I builded that? I builded like the walls. I used these squares. Then I used a big long one like this long. It was flat.